Welcome to the second implementation challenge. Now, this one will be for Module 2, and we're going to turn our attention to the chomper enemies we can find throughout the 3D game kit. So, for this challenge, you're going to add walking and running footstep sounds to all of the chomper enemies. So, let's have a quick listen to what that should sound like in Unity. One quick note before we start: if you remember back to Module 2, we actually disabled the enemies to test some of the player footstep sounds. So, for this, you're going to want to make sure you re enable them by selecting them in the hierarchy tab and then clicking the little tick box in the inspector tab up here. So now let's have a quick listen to how their footsteps sound. So for the second challenge, there are 5 criteria points for you to score on, which are as follows. You can only use plain one-shot commands and you can't declare an event instance in your C# scripts. You must store your event path or GUID in a string variable before using it to play the event. Every footstep sound should sound slightly different and unique. You should add footsteps to all of the chompers at once without editing the ones in each scene individually. And for the bonus, try to limit the amount of footsteps that can be played at the same time. Now, you haven't actually been shown inside this course how to limit the amount of times an event is played at once, so I'm going to give you a little hint for that. This is something you'll want to edit inside the event in your FMOD project and not in the C# scripts you create to play your event. Finally, the audio you'll want to use for this challenge can be found under the enemies, chomper, and locomotion folders, and then inside both the run and the walk folders will be audio files for you to use. So that should be everything you need for this challenge. So just like last time, give it your best attempt and see if you can meet all 5 criteria points. And once you've done that, check out the video at the bottom of this page to see how well you did.